Have you ever wondered if the air in your home is quietly affecting your energy, focus, or sleep? A single device could quietly change the way you breathe indoors. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, where we help you make informed choices with clarity and calm. Today, we're looking at the Nuwave Forever Smart Air Purifier, a system designed for those who value clean, fresh air without the hassle of constant filter replacements. If you spend most of your time indoors, or live in a city, near pets, or in a home prone to dust and allergens, this purifier is worth paying attention to. The purchase link is in the description below. Reason number 1. Advanced 7-stage filtration for comprehensive clean air. The Nuwave Forever uses a patented 7-stage filtration system. Stainless steel pre-filters capture large particles, BioGuard filters trap micropollutants, and ozone removal filters eliminate odors and toxic ozone. In practical terms, this means your home is not just cleaner, it's safer, reducing allergens, smoke, and chemical pollutants. Reason number 2. Never replace filters, save money and time. Unlike traditional purifiers that rely on disposable filters, the Nuwave Forever is designed to be maintenance-free in terms of replacements. Most filters are washable and reusable, which not only cuts costs but also minimizes chemical waste. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this feature alone can transform long-term ownership into a hassle-free experience. Reason number 3. Covers large rooms efficiently. Capable of purifying spaces up to 2,002 square feet in just 1 hour, this purifier is ideal for living rooms, basements, bedrooms, or open-concept spaces. If you've struggled with devices that barely reach every corner, this model ensures consistent air quality across even the largest areas. Reason number 4. Smart features and precise control. The unit is Wi-Fi capable and compatible with a mobile app, allowing you to monitor and control air quality remotely. Auto mode intelligently adjusts fan speeds based on particle and odor sensors, while the adjustable flow panel lets you direct clean air exactly where it's needed. These thoughtful features create a seamless, highly personalized air purification experience. Reason number 5. Energy efficiency and longevity. Energy Star certified, the Nuwave Forever runs efficiently even 24/7. Combined with the reusable filter system, it provides long-term value while supporting eco-conscious lifestyles. It's ETL certified, built to last, and designed for practical, everyday use. Final verdict. The Nuwave Forever Smart Air Purifier stands out for its combination of performance, convenience, and long-term value. While it may feel larger than some compact units, it's an investment in clean, safe air for larger spaces. If you want an air purifier that truly minimizes maintenance while delivering high-performance filtration, this is a model to seriously consider. Take a moment to breathe on your terms. Check the link in the description to see current pricing and options, and make a choice you can feel confident about.